Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's make our tortilla dough by combining 50 g of all-purpose flour and 50 g of wholemeal flour in a bowl. Add 50 milliliters of water gradually, mixing until it forms a shaggy dough. Then incorporate 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will give our tortillas that lovely soft texture we're looking for. Now, we'll let our dough rest for 30 minutes. This is crucial for developing the gluten and making our tortillas easier to roll. While waiting, you can prep the other ingredients. When the time's up, divide the dough into equal portions and roll each into thin, round tortillas. Let's cook these tortillas in a dry, hot skillet. You'll know it's ready when you see small bubbles forming on the surface. That's your cue to flip. Each side needs about 30 to 45 seconds until you see those beautiful light brown spots developing. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Moving on to our filling, heat some olive oil in a large pan and add our 2 diced medium onions and 4 minced garlic cloves. If you're feeling adventurous, add that minced jalapeno now. Let these sweat down until they're soft and fragrant. Your kitchen should smell amazing at this point. Time to amp up the flavors. Add the diced bell pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 to 3 teaspoons of chili powder, depending on how spicy you like it, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Give everything a quick stir to toast those spices and wake up their flavors. Now we're building layers of goodness. Add the 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, both cans of drained beans, 1.5 cups of corn kernels, and 5 ounces of chopped baby spinach. Let this simmer until the spinach wilts down. It'll happen faster than you think. Season thyme. Add salt to taste, and if you're feeling it needs more heat, go ahead and add more chili powder. Remember, you can always add more seasoning, but you can't take it away. Let's make this filling even more substantial by stirring in 1 cup of cooked brown rice, 1 cup of cream corn, and 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. Taste and adjust the seasoning. This is your burrito. Make it perfect for you. Time for some brightness. Squeeze in the juice of that fresh lime. This little touch of acidity really makes all the flavors pop and brings everything together. Assembly time. Lay out your tortilla and add a generous portion of the filling down the center. Top with some of that 1 cup of shredded cheese, sliced avocado from our 2 avocados, chopped lettuce, and a dollop of sour cream. Here's where technique matters. Fold the sides over the filling, then roll from the bottom up, keeping everything tight and tucked in. Think of it like swaddling a baby, but with delicious filling. For our egg lovers out there, before rolling up your burrito, you can add some scrambled eggs. We're using 2 eggs here and an extra sprinkle of cheese. This makes for an amazing breakfast burrito that'll keep you full until lunch. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.